Welcome to the Chic Show. We're going to do something completely different today. I have some fall DIYs that you can make and then use in an activity with your youngest kids or grandkids. ABCs, 1, 2, 3s, and colors. Toddlers and preschoolers are sure to love them. Let me know what you think. For this project, you will need 5 of these really small pumpkins from Dollar Tree. You'll also need one of these wood pallets and something for a base like this plaque. I'm going to stain both the base and the palette with Waverly wax. Once I've applied that wax, I'm going to go back and wipe it off with a paper towel. Now I'm going to hot glue that palette towards the back of the plaque so that the pumpkins have room to sit at the front. Now these pumpkins need to be removable, so we're going to use some Velcro so that we can put the pumpkins on the gate and pull it off the gate. So I'm using one longer strip of Velcro on the top of the palette as well as in front of the palette, and I'm going to cut 5 little squares to put on the bottom of the pumpkins. And as you can see, I did use a black marker to draw faces on my pumpkins. I'm placing 3 pumpkins on top, and I'm placing 2 squares of the Velcro in front of the palette for the other 2 pumpkins. Using a popsicle stick that I cut down, I'm just using a pen to write pumpkins, 25 cents, and we'll add that to the gate as well. A little bit of Spanish moss helps finish it off. For this little rhyme, your child or grandchild will take each pumpkin and place it on the gate with the rhyme. Take a screenshot of these slides, that way you'll have it for future use. 5 little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, "Oh my, it's getting late." The second one said, "There are witches in the air." The third one said, "Oh, we don't care." The fourth one said, "Let's run and run and run." The fifth one said, "I'm ready for some fun." Then ooh went the wind, and out went the lights, and the 5 little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Today's video is part of What Would You Make, an open playlist hosted by Zaina at OK at Home, Connie at Connie's Creative Creations, and co-hosted by Miriam with Crafts with Miriam. Candy in a bag, candy in a bag. Trick or treat, candy in a bag. This project is very simple. You will just need a paper bag and some stickers or graphics to decorate the bag. You will also need an assortment of candies or other treats to put in the bag. I'm using a graphic from Graphics Fairy, and I'm going to simply frame it out with some black and orange scrapbook paper and glue that to the front of the bag. Little known fact, but I actually have a degree in music education, and I am a former elementary music teacher. These activities are some of my youngest students' favorite fall activities. Again, be sure and screenshot this slide. For this project, I'm using 3 of the wooden cutout leaves from Dollar Tree. You could use as many as you like in as many colors as you like. In honor of fall, I'm painting 1 yellow, 1 orange, and 1 brown. But I would recommend painting more leaves in whatever colors you want your child to learn. For this next part, you could use a cutout tree made out of felt or paper, or in my case, I'm using a mug holder and I'm using it as a tree. Your child will be able to choose the color of the leaves and hang the corresponding leaf on the tree at the appropriate time in the song. Autumn leaves are falling, nights are growing chill, maple leaves are turning red along the hill. Hope you enjoyed today's video, and I hope that you'll check out Zaina, Miriam, and Connie's channels, as well as the playlist in the description box below. Remember, share the chic. Bye now. Thanks for watching.